Top 5 Best Alternative Web Browsers to Use on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Number 1, LibBrayWolf. A fork of Firefox, and built with security and privacy in mind, LibBrayWolf aims to provide users with a privacy-focused alternative to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. LibBrayWolf uses DuckDuckGo as the default search engine. It blocks ads and trackers without the need to add a third-party extension. LibBrayWolf also has a very customizable settings section, where users can tailor the browser to best suit their needs, and LibBrayWolf is the most recommended private web browser for browsing the clear net. However, it often takes a few days longer to get both feature and security updates, which could potentially be a security threat to this browser, so just beware of that. LibBrayWolf is available on Linux, as well as Windows, Mac OS, FreeBSD, and OpenBSD. In at number 2, we have Waterfox, a browser that is identical to Firefox, just without all the telemetry data collection, or any crap like that. Waterfox aims to provide Firefox users with a clean and privacy-friendly alternative to Mozilla Firefox. It does not track, store, or sell any of your personal information. No data is sent back to the developers, unless you explicitly allow for it to do so. Waterfox also has a very customizable aspect to it, so users who love customization will love that. Waterfox is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. In at number 3, we have Brave Browser, the well-known privacy legend of all web browsers. Brave takes a huge emphasis on user privacy. It blocks ads and trackers on the go, without the need to add a third-party extension. Brave also uses DuckDuckGo as its default search engine, and it has a Tor mode for extra anonymity. However, it is not recommended to browse onion sites using Brave with Tor. Just use plain old Tor browser if that's what you intend on doing. Brave is very customizable, and telemetry data collection is optional. You can choose to send diagnostic data and crash reports back to the developers, and Brave can play videos even without you being in the browser on a mobile version. Brave Browser is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, as well as Android and iOS, so you mobile users can have better privacy when browsing the web too. In at number 4, we have Thorium Browser, which is a fork of the Chromium browser. Thorium is supposedly the world's fastest web browser, and it's trying to sway users away from Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, as it too is Chromium-based, meaning your Chrome extensions will likely be compatible with this browser. Thorium aims to create a less resource-intensive Google Chrome-like web browser, that is also more respectful towards user privacy. Thorium is relatively new and may still have lots of bugs or issues, so it's advisable to wait a bit before trying this web browser. Thorium is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. However, it is not that different to regular Chromium. Finally, in at number 5, we have the Tor browser, which is by far the most private, secure, and anonymous in existence. Tor browser is very different to the others because it specifically routes your traffic over the Tor network, a network consisting of thousands upon thousands of relays ran by volunteers worldwide. Tor provides users with extra anonymity thanks to the way that the Onion router works. By routing your traffic over several relays, better known as onion layers, this hides and conceals your true identity and IP address. However, it is strongly recommended to use Tor with a VPN or proxy, so that you don't alert your ISP and local authorities that you're on the Tor network. They can red flag it and then use that evidence to find you guilty of a crime, regardless of whether or not you committed an actual crime, so save yourself this hassle by using a reputable VPN service with Tor. Tor also allows you to access onion sites, which are specific to Tor browser. You cannot find them using a traditional search engine or browser, and Tor uses DuckDuckGo as the default search engine, although some dark web ones exist as well, and there are plenty of useful sites to find links to onion sites on Tor Taxi, a great site to discover the deep and dark web. Tor browser is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, FreeBSD, as well as Android and iOS, and it may be available for other systems too. There you have it, my top picks for the best 5 alternative web browsers to Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. If you liked this video, please share it, and consider subscribing. Thank you. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye for now.